Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 3 countings. Colors name: orange color, light yellow color, sky blue color, black color, red color, dark blue color, pink color and brown color. Let's start. One. Number 1. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. Number 2. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. Number 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. Number 4. 4. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. Number 5. 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. Number 6. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. Number 7. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. Number 10. T-E-N 10. So kids, what we learned today? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.